Tokyo, Oct. 17, the dollar strengthened to a one-week high against a basket of major currencies on Tuesday, supported by a rise in Treasury yields following a report U.S. President Donald Trump was edging towards choosing a hawk as the next head of the Federal Reserve. U.S. two-year Treasury yields hit their highest in almost 9 years late on Monday, after a report that Trump was favoring Stanford economist John Taylor to head the Fed. They stayed close to those levels on Tuesday. Next Fed chief Taylor, an advocate of a rules-based approach to monetary policy, is seen as more hawkish than current Chair Janet Yellen and would therefore make a faster pace of tightening likely, boosting the dollar. MUFG currency economist Lee Hardman, in London, said the bank would not be surprised to see an initial jump in the dollar of between 3 and 5% should Taylor be chosen. A potential shift in strategy towards a more rules-based approach for setting policy would be seen as less supportive for financial markets and increase the likelihood of the Fed raising rates materially more in the coming years than is currently priced in, he said. The dollar index, which measures the greenback against a basket of 6 major peers, rose on the report and on Tuesday climbed as much as 0.25% to 93.527, its strongest since October 10. Trump's shortlist also includes Jerome Powell, a Fed governor, Trump's top economic advisor Gary Cohn, Yellen, whose term expires in February, and Kevin Warsh, a former Fed governor, sources have said, though investors say the chances of Warsh being selected have fallen. Trump to meet Yellen. Trump will meet current Yellen on Thursday as part of his search for a new candidate for her position, a source familiar with plans for the meeting said. Knocked by a stronger dollar, the euro slipped 0.3% to a one-week low of $1.1755, having fallen almost 3% since hitting a 2.5-year high last month.